Trailforks Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think trail riding is about luck, but you won't believe what happens next when you use Trailforks. Trailforks is a trail mapping app designed for mountain bikers. It shows trails, difficulty levels, elevation, and conditions. The surprising truth is that Trailforks includes community updates about trail closures and hazards. Most people get this wrong. They rely only on memory. Offline maps require paid plans. Trailforks is best for off-road cyclists. The surprising truth is that better maps mean safer rides. Subscribe for more honest cycling app reviews that help you ride smarter.